Okay, before to begin, we must to sign in. Enter the password. And now we are ready to access at the Voyenbus application right here in this shortcut or at Tools, Others, Voyenbus. At the top right section, you may choose the currency and the language. And now we are ready to sell. You have to choose the city of origin and the destination. Also the departure date, and of course you can add a return if you want. Here you choose the number of passengers and click on search. The system will display all the available services based on your search criteria. You have to choose service from this list. And now we have to fill in the passenger ID and click on search. If the passenger is already in the system, it will display all the passenger information, and if it's not, fill out all the information required right here. Here you can choose the cost center that I'm going to explain later, and now you have to choose the seat for your ticket. Choose the seat and click on apply. Now continue, and we are ready to pay. How do you want to pay? You can pay by cash, credit, or debit card. If you choose credit or debit, you may choose the card here in your cards or a new card, and then fill in the cardholder information. That can be the passenger or another person. But now we're going to sell with cash. So we have to choose the person responsible for this payment right here. As I said before, you can choose the passenger or another person. I'm choosing the passenger. And here you have a purchase summary. You can also add a promotional code if you want and accept the commercial terms and check out. Perfect. Now that the tickets are successfully issued, we are going to charge the PNR. As you can see right here, in case there isn't a passenger load under an active PNR, the system will show you this warning to add the passenger in the Saber system. So return to the main screen at Saber and add the PNR. Now it's successfully added to this PNR. You have to go back at the Voyenbus application and retry registration. Once we retry registration, we have to go back to the Saber main screen and type *A. So now we can see all the PNR information, the accounting line also right here, and the OTH segments under the PNR information too. Well, before I explain all the tools in this application, I want to show you a search with FLIXBUS services. So we're going to go to sell again, and we'll choose Munich from Munich to Berlin, a service for this Saturday. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the services for FLIXBUS with all the details as well as the other services. We choose one, and I want to show you. All the process is the same, but I want to show you that FLIXBUS doesn't allow you to choose the seats. It's automatically chosen by the system, so you have to apply right here, and all the process is the same. So now we're going to take a look of all the tools at Voyenbus. Here you have My Sales. Here you will be able to check and edit the tickets sold utilizing the different filters available. You can filter by locator, client IP, email, ticket number, document, or order ID. You can also filter by a date and operation status. These are all the operation status. Also, you can filter by agent, pool, company. From this back office, you will be able to check transactions details, return, cancel, reprint, resend, and reinsert the PNR. And as you can see inside the ticket, you have all the passenger information right here. Also the payment and all the chosen services. Here we have the favorites tools. In favorites, you will find the most popular searches associated with your Voyenbus user. Also, this function export. The export function allows us to perform a search of all the transactions carried out. So the download, it's done in Excel format, and we can view confirmed sales, cancel sales, incomplete sales, etc. And this function can be very useful for the administration of the agency. And here you can preset the columns being unloaded right here. You must move right here at the columns that you don't want to see at your Excel document. Then we have the cost center. The cost center is a qualifier for your best future treatment, and it allows you to assign a different agent within the same Voyenbus user. So you can discriminate, for example, a sale according to its agent. And finally, useful information. In this section, we will find information regarding travel requirements inside and outside Argentina. Voyenbus collects all the necessary information and provides it to the agents. And if you need any kind of help, please contact us to our email address helpdesk@voyenbus.com.